Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing good. Those of you don't know me, those of you are new to my channel, my name is PREET. Welcome to my channel. So in part 1 I showed you guys about the product description and everything which I received. So part 2 is going to be all about the styling and all about the tool, how I'm going to be using that tool, and I'm super excited to show you guys at how I use that tool. Also I would be mentioning some of the products which I use for styling my hairs, and yeah, let's just get started. I'm super excited to show you guys how I style my hairs. And honestly guys, I don't do too much, but I always make sure that whatever stuff and whatever products I'm using, they definitely don't harm my hairs. So yeah, let's just begin. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. Yeah, let's just get started. You guys can already see the condition of my hairs. Like, my hairs are a little oily and greasy. I think they are 4 days old. I washed my hairs 4 days ago, and that's why they're 4 days old, and I feel that my hairs are super greasy and super oily. So for doing that and saving my hairs from getting washed like on a frequent basis, one product which is my lifesaver and which I've been using from so long, and it works amazingly without causing the damage on your hair, is Batista Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. And this one has a fragrance of floral and flirty blush, which will definitely give you that very soothing, very floral fragrance. So even if your hairs are like way older than 4 days or maybe 1 week old, if you use this particular kind of product, it's gonna smell your hair really nicely. So this product has been my lifesaver. Definitely don't want that any heat tool should damage our hairs, because it's already so much damage because of the pollution. So we definitely don't want, if we use any kind of heat tool on our hair, it should damage our hair. So for protecting my hair from heat damage, the one product which I use, Heat Protection Mist, which is specially designed for the flat iron Perfector, and it's called as a straightening mist. So I use this particular Garnier Fruits and Style mist before straightening my hair. You just have to spray this mist directly on your hair like 2-3 minutes before applying the heat tool on your hair. So this is what I've been doing from so long, and this works very well. So the best part about this mist is that it's a flexible hold for #1, and it's give you that beautiful sleek effect on your hair, and also it contains argan oil from Morocco. So it's definitely my favorite product, which I use every time before straightening my hair. So the first product which I'm going to be using before starting to style my hair, it's going to be a dry shampoo which I mentioned. So just spray it on very little bit. You don't need too much quantity on your hair. Just spray a very little bit. You see that? This is what happens if you spray too much of quantity. So make sure you are spraying a very little quantity on your hair. Well, it's okay, you don't have to worry, you just need to smudge it off and it will go. You're done with that, what next thing I do is I very gently massage this particular spray on my hair so that it gets mixed up with my other roots and other hair. Once you're done the massaging, you'll instantly feel that very fresh and just like newly washed hair effect on your hairs, and I definitely love using this product. So it's highly recommended for the girls out there and the boys who have super oily scalp, and I definitely don't recommend people washing their hair frequently. So this one product I have been using from so long, and it has definitely been my life savior. Next thing, after massage, what I do is I use a normal comb and I start combing my hair so that the product is equally distributed on all the part of my hairs. So I've combed my hairs now. As I've already shown you guys the things which I've received with Kiposi straightener, so I'm again gonna show it to you guys just in case you guys missed the part 1 video. It's somewhere, the link is somewhere here, so make sure you guys check the part 1 out. But also I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuffs again in this video so that it becomes more easier for you guys on understanding the things which I have got. This is the hair straightener. I really like the color. It's beautiful. Honestly, I really love the color. And then it comes with these hair clips which you can easily put on your hair before styling your hairs. And then it also comes with this glove which will protect your hands from the heat. So this is the best part about getting this particular kind of straightener, because I'm kind of a person who usually, you know, burns her hands while straightening or curling my hair. So I think this one I'm definitely gonna use it. Yeah, let's just begin and let's just start straightening my hairs. Let's just start preparing our hair, and for prepping my hair I'm gonna be using a heat protection tool which I showed you guys earlier, and I'm evenly spraying it on all over my hairs. And the next thing what I do is I start partitioning my hair. Now this totally depends upon you whether you want to partition your hair or not, but what I do is I start taking smaller sections, and then this is how I use the straightener on those hairs, like on those smaller sections. This way evenly my hair can be styled and then able to focus on equal section of my hairs. Now next step what I'm going to be doing is I have already turned on my straightener. I am increasing the temperature accordingly. Here I'm using a 450, and then use a gloves. Make sure you're using a gloves. You don't want to hurt your hands or your fingers. Now very slowly, very gently I would be straightening my hairs. Just be very gentle, guys. There is no hard and fast rule. You just have to do it the way you like it. But one thing I always do is I just take smaller sections and then very evenly straighten my hairs so that I don't miss out any area, and I don't do these things in a rush. I always spare like 15 to 10 minutes for my hair so that I am spending time on my hair, because I definitely don't want to damage my hairs. So I always spare 5 to 10 minutes before going out for my hair, where this time is dedicated completely for my hairstyling. Now once my one side is done, I did the other side off camera. You guys can definitely see the difference of my hairs before and after, that this hair straightener definitely works really nicely, and I love how my hairs are coming up right now, very pretty and very straight. Also use this straightener as 2-in-1 like I said, so you can also curl your hair. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm curling my hairs, like the few ends of my hairs I'm just curling them up. Just be careful guys while doing that. If you are not a pro or if you don't know how to do it, make sure you follow some steps and then you do it. So that was all, you guys. So that was all about today's video, you guys. I definitely love my straights. They look beautiful. Even I did little bit curls at the end, and they also look really flawless. Like they're little loose curls, and I'm actually loving them. So this particular tool is like 2-in-1. You can also use this tool for straightening your hair and also use this tool for curling your hair, which is super bright. Getting two things in just one product, which is amazing, right? So yeah, that was all about part 2 video. If you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, I hope you guys find this tutorial super fun. If you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys to subscribe to my channel. See you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.